Quantum computers versus regular PCs. What's the difference? Alright, let's settle this once and for all. What's the real difference between your everyday laptop and a shiny futuristic quantum computer? And no, one of them does not let you time travel. Yet. Think of your regular computer as a really fast librarian. You ask it a question like, "Who invented pizza?" And it sprints to the shelf, grabs the book, and brings back the answer. Simple, right? But a quantum computer? Oh, that's like hiring a wizard librarian. Instead of checking one shelf at a time, they somehow check all the shelves at once, and then, poof, hand you the answer before you even finish saying pepperoni. Here's why. Regular computers use bits, those tiny 0s and 1s you've probably heard about. Quantum computers use qubits, which are basically 0, 1, or both at the same time. Yeah, it's like Schrodinger's cat went into coding. Don't worry, no cats are harmed in the making of quantum computing, except maybe their pride. So here's the difference in plain English. Your laptop == great for Netflix, spreadsheets, and arguing on Twitter. Quantum computers == great for solving insanely complex problems, like simulating molecules, breaking super secure codes, or maybe discovering the next pizza topping. But before you throw your laptop in the trash, keep in mind, quantum computers aren't replacing your PC anytime soon. They're more like super calculators for very specific, very hard problems. So, regular PCs == your everyday hero. Quantum computers == the weird futuristic cousin that nobody fully understands. But we're excited to invite to the party.